Hello, Shae here to show you my laundry room transformation. I'm going to show you a little footage of the whole process, and then towards the end of the video I'll give you a walkthrough and I will show you some of the items that I purchased and where I purchased them. So please stay tuned and I hope you enjoy, and once again thank you for watching. Alright, so let me close this. My laundry room is coming together. There were not blinds there before. It was a total mess. The shelves were, all my stuff was on the top of the because the washer and dryer, because I had no shelving. So I just put this up today. I got it from Home Depot. It was on sale for $40. I am not done because I want to get some boards to go on it, and like some nice baskets and jars and whatever. This I put up behind the door because I've had it literally for like 2 years and never put it up. I don't love the color of it, but whatever. It's doing its purpose and it's behind the door, so I'm not gonna worry about that too much. Nothing's on the wall. That's an old sign that I had that I'm gonna take down. So yeah, I'll come back. We have been storing all of our stuff on top of the washer and dryer like you see now because we had no shelves. So went and got shelving. I got this shelving from what's the name, Home Depot yesterday. And so then I wanted to go, so I went back to Home Depot tonight to get some boards because I'm going to paint these or stain these wood. Stain these, like a dark brown wood color. So I asked him to cut me, I wanted a cut of 11 by 34 inches. Well, apparently they can only cut 12 and 12. Whatever. So he did that. So those fit fine because that's my 11 by 34. These are like 13 by 24 or 34. They don't fit. But these were the leftover pieces from, because the board was a 2x4 that I had cut, right? I got two 2x4s, had him cut them into 4s. But like I was saying, these don't fit because he wasn't able to cut them all 11 by 34. He's like, I can't do that. It has to be 12. I don't know, whatever. So these are like the leftover pieces. So I am going to still paint these, and maybe I'll put some wood glue on them. Maybe that's what I'll do. But anyway, so the two at the top are going to be smaller than the two at the bottom, but I think it'll still look okay. And then I also put this up yesterday, even though it doesn't match the color scheme that I'm going for in here, but it will be fine. All right, okay. All right, so my boards are done. And then I got those. So it looks like the stain soaked these up pretty well. The boards were only like, I tell you, I had two 2x4 boards. They were only $7 each or so, $7 to $8 each. And I had the guy cut them for me. All right, so I'll let that dry overnight and come back in the morning. Okay, so now I am going to paint this wall, just this wall, black. This is the wall in my laundry room. I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint it black. And it's like 10 o'clock at night. I don't know why I'm still up doing this, but I am gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, bye. All right, let's get into this tour. So, you guys, I just realized that my washer and dryer don't match. We've had this set for 5 years, and honestly, I did not know it didn't match until I started taking pictures, but oh well, it does its job. So anyway, let's start with this planter that I put on top of the washer. I bought this planter from Hobby Lobby, and I just put a beautiful snake plant in here. I love snake plants because they don't need watering all the time. I grabbed some books that I had in the family room because we are redoing the family room right now. So I just moved them into here, and I think it looks lovely. The shelves that you see, I got those from Amazon. It comes in a pack of 3. I will leave the link down below. They were very easy to hang. I grabbed some more books, put them up there. The plants that I have there are from the kitchen because I just decided I didn't want them in the kitchen anymore, and it looked nice in here. This rug I got from an estate sale, and you guys, I literally threw it in the washer today and just washed it and put it outside to dry, and it's fine. This little laundry cart I got from Amazon. It's perfect. It's small. It has wheels, but it has this ugly laundry wording on the side. But luckily, I can just hide it like so, and it works for me. So this mirror I got from the family room because I had it on the wall gallery in the family room, but we are redoing it, so I moved it in here. The shelf I got from IKEA, and I'm going to use it just to hang clothes to dry. This I put up because, like I said, I've had it for like 2 years, never hung it. It doesn't really match with the colors in here, but it's fine. It's doing its purpose. You don't see it. It's behind the door. The shelving, once again, Home Depot. I grabbed those baskets from IKEA. They were fairly cheap too, maybe $10 each, maybe not, maybe less than that. Another snake plant. Some baskets that I had in the family room I just moved over here, and then the black bins I got from IKEA. Those were maybe $5 each. And this little stool here I got at the thrift store. It was like a wood, like a creamy white color, and I just painted it black. So the bins hold all of our laundry
goods, fabric softener, detergent, all that stuff. And then the fabric sheets are in there. I got that from a YouTuber. I'll have to leave her information down below. So once again, here is the final look. I just love it because I feel like it's another room now. It's not the laundry room anymore. It's a room in the house. I don't hate it. I love being in there, and I'm just happy. And yeah,